Developments to tell you about tonight in the murder trial of 3 men accused in the death of Belmont teen Lesandro Jr. Guzman-Feliz. News 12's Marissa Marcelino was at Bronx Criminal Courthouse with more on why a decision on their fate could come sooner rather than later. Marissa.
The 3 defendants appeared in court here today in cuffs and orange prison clothing. They traveled from Rikers, where the 3 are currently in custody. Now, inside the courtroom, the 3 individually were offered plea deals for shorter sentences relating to their suspected involvement in Junior's murder. Danelle Fernandez, Luis Cabrera Santos, and Gabriel Ramirez Concepcion are indicted on murder charges in the fatal stabbing and plot to kill Junior. Fernandez was offered a plea deal today of 18 years in prison, followed by 5 years supervision if he pleads guilty to first-degree manslaughter. It's the highest prison sentence on the bargaining table for all 3. The Bronx Assistant District Attorney told the judge that Fernandez is accused of dragging Junior outside the bodega where he was stabbed to death by gang members back in June of 2018. His attorney said he needs to discuss the offer with Fernandez and plans to counter-offer to 15 years incarceration instead of 18. Santos and Ramirez Concepcion were both offered 12 years behind bars, with 5 years following of supervision in exchange for the first-degree manslaughter plea. Both attorneys said they needed to discuss these deals with their clients. The ADA said Santos is suspected of driving other gang leaders to the scene of the crime and was the getaway driver. Ramirez Concepcion is accused of driving people to the bodega and leaving the scene after the stabbing, which the ADA says is caught on video. His attorney told the judge he was just a spectator. 14 people were indicted in this case and 7 are already serving time for murder convictions. Now, all 3 defendants are due back in court here on November 30th, and if no plea deal is reached, the judge said that individual trials will begin in January of 2023. At the Bronx County Hall of Justice, Marissa Marcelino, News 12.
Marissa.